Inkulumo kaNgqongqoshe ophando ibigxile kakhulu ekuzibophezeleni kwaleli ukuqhubeka nobulungu be-BRICS.
It is possible for BRICS to play such a transformative role. South Africa is serving as chair of BRICS for 2023, and we hope that the BRICS leaders can assume a stronger role in bringing peace to Ukraine and Russia.
Umnyango uzosingatha ingqungquthela ye-BRICS ngoNcwaba nengqungquthela ye-G20 ngo-2025. I-ANC ikhononde ngencindezi ebhekane nohulumeni ukubopha umengameli wase-Russia uVladimir Putin uma ihambela le ngqungquthela kuleli.
Because we cannot afford the anti-BRICS, Afrophobic and Afro-pessimists who determine our destiny and defocus us by wanting to impose the responsibility of arresting President Putin on us.
That the officials did make the right call when the department issued a statement criticizing Russia's attack on Ukraine. However, this was short-lived when the minister and President Ramaphosa issued a statement contradicting the Dirco's position.
We must condemn the double speak from the highest political office in this country.
We need to hold you committed to your own commitments. If those commitments change, we must be apprised of them so that we can be in a position to understand the thinking of this government and along the lines of its own strategic objectives on the international stage.
Isabelo mali sifika lapho uhulumeni esalinde khona ukweluleka ngesinyathela ngasithatha ngodaba lika Putin Ne-Melika iqaphe ngelokhozi ukuthi elakuleli ingabe lithatha siphi isinqumo nge-ICC.